Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again on a new video reaction. So we have seen news of Fulani herdsmen, invading communities. That prophecy that Mazakano told Biafrans or the whole world years ago is now coming to fulfillment. And some people are still in doubt. Some people believe that their state, their town is good, they are protected. But it's gonna touch everybody, whether you like it or not. Now, this is Nigerian news, as of 30th of January 2025, armed herdsmen invaded Ajengole community in Ondo, killed 5 farmers. So this is just one out of many. One out of many. What I want you to do on this video is to like the video, subscribe if you're new, because we're gonna touch some of the things that we're supposed to touch. And this is not the only one. A lot of communities have experienced presence of Fulani in these recent days or weeks. In Delta State, we have seen what happened there. Okay, we have seen a lot of reports about what is going on in Delta State. Okay, the place called Umunede. Umunede was under attack as of 1st of February 2025. So today is 2nd. Okay, today is 2nd of February. So everything that you're going to see here is not something that is old, maybe last year, 2 years, as case may be. It is something that some of you are aware of, some maybe you are not aware of, but we're going to try our best to make it possible for you to see them all. Now, hear this.
If you dey inside or if you dey outside, lock yourself inside house. Everybody for Umunede don't like all the old schools go to Umunede. Everybody don't enter inside house. If I need you, okay, you buy them or don't do. You need to be safe. Umunede college where this start the LA Ara lesu Umunede.
Umunede at trouble now. Hausa people is creating violence in Umunede. You can see that some schools have shut down. This is Umunede, close to Abo. What is happening in this country? What is happening?
Now, he said Umunede the hot. Okay? That Umunede, what is happening in Umunede, what is going on? It's not something that, maybe he's surprised, maybe he don't pay attention to what is going on in the other communities. Maybe that could be the reason why he's surprised. Because for him to ask that kind of question of what is going on in this country simply means that he is not aware, or maybe he's not informed about the current situation, what is going on in another community. So don't wait until it happens to you before you realize that things are no longer the same, that they are actually serious about taking your land and invading your communities. So this is Umunede in Delta State, and a lot of people are not aware of this, because I tried my best to see if I can see this attack in Umunede in some of Nigerian news, like Sahara Reporter. I did not see it. Maybe they have posted it, maybe, but I tried my best to see if I can see this thing making news in the headline news. No, you won't see that. Why? Because the agenda, it is very, very simple. It's very simple because everybody have a way of doing their own. So I covered this video because I covered it now because you see people, they chop their hand in Umunede and everything, so that it's not something that they're going to show you here on this video. But let us move to another thing.
This is the correct situation of the town now. The people with their destination say Fulani kill their men. They don't invade our town, enter Hausa community, destroy everywhere, put fire. We don't get tired. So this is the correct situation for Nurud now, Umunede right away now. This is what we are facing right away now. This is what is happening now. Police and other security agents and our vigilante, with their unanimous activity, we will be able to invade the area and try to calm the situation. But the time is at home now. So ndị mụ dị ihe niile mere kika na ole beni Nurud, ebe ni that Fidelik at on 3rd Street, kuna hụ anọ ndị mbiri ndị Fulani gbagbu mmadụ bụ mbiri this evening. So the presentation of Hausa quarter, edishela Hausa quarter every other butcher ọkụ. ya dị nweme nwanne ahụ nwe egbu mụ nebe iwe na-ewe ahụ so ụmụdị ihe na-abụ enye amasị ndị mehụ so onye ọwụla insekuriti nwa ji kwụkwọ ọkpọ mụọ amụọ ndị Fulani gbagbu mmadụ bụ mbiri this evening now so ndị mbiri ekwerizi na from off ọrụ ma ime town.
Okay, that is Numunede, right? And the question is why? You understand? Why? What is going on? What are the the so-called leaders? What are they doing? Your guess is as good as mine. Nothing. What do you expect them to do? If not to look for a way to loot. Now, most of you, some of you have, you maybe this lady here, some of you know her as one of Ogenkere media, and she's a very, very popular. After the arrest of Mazi PM Simon Ekpa, she started talking, pretending to be the, one of the people who knows what is going on in Biafra land. In fact, she's all of a sudden she now loves Mazi Namodekano, loves PM so much to the extent that she can do anything to make them happy. Auto abolition. Now, listen, let us go through her write-up. Ngozi or Fulani, what brand of ganja do you smoke, Biko? You said, listen to very carefully. You said you are moronic administrators and non-governors. I laugh in Swahili. Tell me one local government that you have taken totally control. Tell me one local government that you have taken total control of with your AI fake army, let alone the whole of Biafra land. Ngozi, my prime minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa, said, you can betray me, but you cannot succeed. You know your missions is dead on arrival. Enjoy the power while it lasts. The end shall justify the means. Stop smoking weed. Chukwu akpọ gị ọkụ. This woman we are seeing here. Okay? This woman that we are seeing here. Let me see if you can see her picture very well. Look at it. So she is the one that making that comment. She's the one that made this post. And with a lot of mockery picture, kind of, trying to edit COS pictures to make joke of her. Now, when you read this, some of you may think that, oh, she's standing on the mandate of Mazi Simon Ekpa. She actually mean good for Biafra. Just give her a chance. She knows what she's saying. This is her comment. The same woman here. Just follow me very carefully because you will see all these things coming out immediately. This is her post, November 1st, 2023. Okay, she made this post. And in this post, she said this: two captains cannot be in the same seat, in the same boat. Do you know why she made this comment? She look at it. She replied to Simon Ekpa that she's claiming that my PM, right? See the date again. Last year was 2024. 2023 November, she made this post telling Biafrans or challenging PM, why must you see yourself as a leader? You may ask, what did PM do that warrant her to make such comment? Look at what PM did here. Let me open it, so you can see you can see this. Just a moment. Just a moment. It's loading. Just a moment. While waiting for it to load, let's go back to her post so that you can refresh your memory. Where she called PM my prime minister. Look at it here. You can see it here. My prime minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa. So as if she's with PM. She's not. She's not at all. She's not with PM. She just want to, you know, use that as if she care about PM. Now, this is the post that PM made where she made that comment on. Okay, PM said, life, look at it, life. Biafran Prime Minister, State of the Nation address, 1st of November 2023. Look at it. The same day that PM, made a post that he's coming live to address Biafra. Her reply on this post that PM made is what we are seeing down here. Two captains cannot be in the same boat. Meaning that to this woman, to her, PM is trying to take place of Mass American, and that's her own mentality. That everything PM, is doing, or what PM represents, is contrary to what Mass, or maybe PM want to take a place of Mass American. Now, connect it with what TUS said, that they are planning to release Mass American, so the Mass American will come to Finland to maybe to obstruct the declaration, to say no, that we still need to create more awareness, or still want to stretch it more before you can declare it. Or maybe Mass American will say, okay, why do you guys want to declare Biafra in my absence? I don't like you guys, I don't support you guys. That is their mentality. PM COS noticed that kind of that. This is their mindset. It's not about that. No, it's not that people don't want Mass American to come there, or to represent, or to be the one to declare reference. In fact, that has been the prayer of reference. But that is to tell you the level of insubordination. The way they see PM is like PM is forcing himself to lead. In fact, the person they felt that is their main person that everybody must follow and listen to, without him nothing will happen, is Mass American. It's not as if they love Mass American more than any other people, no. But they don't care about what you are doing. They just want to hang on with PM so that people will be talking about Biafra, why until Mass American comes out. These are people who believe that only Mass American can bring Biafra. Now, after saying this thing now, telling PM that two captains cannot be in the same boat, she's here claiming that PM is her prime minister. Are you getting the point? Why? Because COS is actually doing what Mazagano represent and PM represent, and to her is a taboo. You don't need to do that. What is different between these people with Ogenkere? And this is her mindset is the same thing with all of them. That is why, according to Remedios, that Chamaka told him, how can we listen to PM that is in detention? That if you are to listen to anybody, it should be Mass American, not PM. Are you getting it now? And he have never for one debunked it, which we know that's what they're known for. They don't debunk anything. The only person that tried to debunk and refused to debunk it, he started broadcasting about that he want to debunk the allegation. Is Vision 555, who said that Ngozo Rabeze, 247, we go 247, use his name to create propaganda that is false, is that. He did not even debunk it. He's just trying to navigate his way out from the main topic. Now, to prove to you that they are the same thing, after this is a mega gift. After all the attack on PM is this, what border in Finland, me get, he's committing those acts, blah, 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 blah. Bring him out. We know IPOB is one family, undefeatable, untouchable IPOB group, blah, 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 blah. Now do the needful, never. Patokano zo koyo zo meya bife, mba. Chano zo, mba. Nozeno wayo, mba. They always want to stick their neck. To see what people are doing and criticize. When you ask them, okay, come and do it, you won't see them. What is going on about Mass American? Because I made a video yesterday. Okay, and where we talked about the question of Mazen Kano's arrest and his detention at the moment, as nothing is going on. Everywhere seems to be stagnant. They are not talking on when COS begin now to bring action, then you see a mega gift in action. Do you see their comparison with PM and that kind of thing? And Methuselah, all of them, no, they are somehow they are quiet now because Fulanis and they are advancing because that's what they're fighting for. To give you, we hand over the land to Fulani. Now read this. A mega gift. This is urgent. This is urgent. I don't normally dream, but when I dream, it is normal. It is normally come to pass. I dreamed where Masnam Kano was shot in the head, God forbid, by the same people, by the same people holding him, and he died at the spot. Please raise alarm. These people are planning to buy him, and they will come out to accuse him. He tries to escape with the help of ESN as a cover up. Please take this serious, raise alarm, let people know their plans, their possibility, their possibility. Eastern leaders are aware of this plan. There's possibility because you just said there's possibility that Eastern leaders, that's governors, are aware of this plan. This comment is from a mega gift. Say that somebody, according to him, that somebody dreamed this dream. The person dreamed it and decided to share it with him by sending it to him, according to him, via inbox. Look at it. He said inbox message. So he screenshot it and post it. It could be him that bring this out to condition the minds of people to know the ration. It could be true that somebody dreamed about it. I don't know, but after this, what did he do? He just shared the dream in his platform and kept quiet. Nothing, no special broadcast, no deep exposition, not even the one said that he's citizen observer. He don't want to observe on this one. You have your colleague have dreamt very bad dream about Master Ghana, yet everywhere is quiet. Why? Because it is all about how to do this, how to do that. You see, this is the reason why I don't like to talk about DOS anymore. This is the reason. Because they know what they're doing. All of them know what they're doing. They know what they're doing, my people. And that is why if you are listening to them or if you know them very, very well, it will be easy for you to understand that they represent, negativity, just like this group that calling COS breakaway group. When I hear them say that the COS and Biafrans and United States of Biafrans group are breakaway, I felt like, do they actually not understand what is breakaway? Breaking away, how can you break away from for who you are? Anyway, tell me what you think about this video. I just want to make a quick reaction to that because I have seen that most of these videos are trending and we have not talked about it. God bless you and see you again. Like the video, please. Bye bye for now.